I'm Tony Lovett and I'm your host for today's video. I am proud to introduce you to ActOn Finishing, which is a family-run business which first opened its doors back in 1965 with well over half a century's expertise in surface finishing. ActOn Finishing are UK manufacturers of surface finishing machines which include vibratory, high energy, shot blast and water treatment solutions. We also manufacture our own media and compounds and offer a full subcontract service. I would like to introduce you to our Vibratory Bowl and dryer machines. When you buy a machine from ActOn, our main goal is to ensure you have a great process. We will teach how to set up your machine for success, provide you with specialist media and liquid compounds to get the best results. Here, you have a typical installation of a vibratory bowl, our S-series machine feeding into a vibratory dryer. Each of our bowls are simple to operate and highly efficient. Manufactured from spun steel and is stress relieved to improve the life. The chamber has been specially designed in a manner that the components are subjected to an effective tumbling action which ensure fast process times. Inside the bowl, the work bowl drain is cast with openings to suit the media geometry. The drains can be easily removed for period maintenance. Hot cured cast lining is used on all machines up to 30mm in processing areas. The vibratory motor is the heart of the machine. It is designed and manufactured to meet the heavy-duty conditions. Special castings and bearings form the assembly of these motors, making them mechanically robust and reliable. The acoustic lid uses a custom-designed acoustic foam, which has improved properties of sound absorption, thereby keeping the machines quiet in operation. The lid can be operated manually or pneumatically. The separation system comprises of a polyurethane flap with handle. Post-process, the separation flap is engaged manually or pneumatically and hence forms a bridge that assists parts to travel onto the separation screen while the machine is still vibrating. The media is then screened through the separation screen, holes or slots, and is retained in the bowl whilst the parts exit from the machine. Our wedge-type locking system reduces downtime and makes it very easy to replace screens. Very useful when you're having different sizes of parts being processed. Undersized media separation systems can also be integrated into the machine. The separation system can be operated manually or pneumatically. Our automatic gate clearing system reverses the rotational direction of the motor to ensure the contents in the process chamber move in the opposite direction. The discharge door can be used to either remove media or both media and parts based on the application. The metal door has a polyurethane cast with sealing to ensure there is no leak during the process. The operation of the door can be done either manually or pneumatically. The machine comes with a control panel which can be customized to the requirements. A standard setup includes a dosing unit whereby you have precise control of the water and compound flow rate. In addition, a settlement tank to capture some of the solids prior to discharge to the drain. We have a wide range of bowl machines which include round bowl machines, machines with separation and specially designed machines. We also have dual finishing machines, which accomplishes both the finishing and drying operation in one unit, which makes it more economical and space-saving. We manufacture all our machines and they are renowned for being high quality, durable and reliable. We welcome you to visit us so you can see our test lab, whereby we can work with you and carry out live trials and take you on a tour of our facility. We will always be here for you, so you'll get the best professional help, advice, ongoing support and quality customer service. Drop us an email or give us a call. We are here to help. Don't just think about it, act on it.